guys, it's Shay back with another video. As you can see, I'm in my basement right now and we getting ready to transform a little something down here with my sisters, Janelle and Raish. Gang. Hey girl, hey. Definitely gang. So yeah, we're about to do my wall. We're gonna flip the camera around and show that. And it's plain white right now, and we're gonna turn it into a grass wall and we're gonna put a sign up.
You ain't shit, bitch. But you ain't this shit.
That's why I know Girl, don't worry about my legs. You said an arm. Y'all think I can staple this?
I'm not, bro. No.
I feel like I could staple there. I feel like I could staple this up there and then. It's hot. It is hot. You're recording right now?
I'm trying to smoke. Oh, yeah. I'm good. Never mind.
Sorry.
That's why people don't do this shit. Ooh, wait. Wait, okay, no, wait.
It's going for 2 seconds.
Uh-huh.
What I'm doing, girl? I guess I pulled it.
She don't even know what she's doing.
You said apply pressure when?
After you pull as soon as
Oh yeah, I forgot about that part. That's why I heard it so bad. Sorry.
Come on, you gotta get the red. What are you doing?
Girl,
Bro,
she can do
let's go. Oh my God, now it's stuck on me.
No, they ain't nothing there.
You
Oh, look
definitely,
at that.
you definitely didn't put nothing on me. I mean,
I
put
told
none
you.
of my
You didn't
stuff.
even wipe me up before you
It's alright.
put this
It's alright. It's alright. It's cute.
That's nice.
So this is a box. It arrived in. Dun dun dun. These are all the cords and accessories that came with it. This is what is this? Oh, the remote control. It's a wireless remote control. I think I got the one with the dimmer. I don't really know. And this is the plug for the adapter and all that. Boom. You all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let me see. I'm ready. You gotta plug it up though.
Ooh.
Period.
I can upgrade you. Upgrade you. Okay.
Okay, give it to me.
Plug it up. Let me see.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah, let's unwrap it. We about to unwrap
You
it.
taking this out?
Yeah, we gonna take that down. So yeah, we finna get started, y'all, and y'all know we finna spark. So we'll be back in a minute. What's up, y'all? Your girl Shay ain't been on a track in a minute. So I decided to hop on a track and do a little voiceover. I just need y'all to know how hard it was getting these things to stick on the wall. Why? Because it's the basement and it's cement. So I needed like Velcro and stuff like that. And we had to zip tie them and stuff, which the zip ties came with the panels and stuff. I bought the flowers separately. Everything came off Amazon, including my lights. Okay, can y'all believe that? Them lights are so expensive, and she is so cute. You know, the Galore experience. I really wanted it bigger, but like I said, they're expensive. But I think it's actually the perfect size. I'm gonna put like little holiday stuff on it and all types of stuff. So yeah, if you're in the Metro Detroit area, book with your girl Shay. And yeah, that's just it. What's next up in the vlog? Oh, my baby birthday. Ooh, my baby birthday. My baby got a horse.
It's time for the big reveal. We are complete with the grass wall. As you can see, the Galore experience is so beautiful. Shout out to my sisters for helping me. I'm losing my voice, so excuse me if you can't hear me. But I am going to plug the cords. Y'all ready? Can I get a jump rope? Can I get a jump rope?
You got that to it.
1, 2. Isn't she beautiful? She's beautiful, y'all. This is all I've been asking for. Not asking for because I bought it, but this is all I wanted to complete my in-home studio for my clients, and it's beautiful. And I'm happy that you guys got to watch the journey because it almost ain't get finished. We almost had to redo the video and start another day. But anywho, I'm glad we finished, and I am happy with the end result. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hey guys, it's the next day. My voice is still going. We are currently on our way to Kai's birthday surprise. Happy birthday, Kai!
Happy birthday,
It's my
guys!
birthday. My mom, Janelle, Deshaun, all the way in the back. She don't want to talk, I guess.
No, because I'm
what was I going to say? Yeah, so I had to record now because we almost there. So I won't be able to record his reaction. Because I'm sure when we pulling up, he gonna know what it is. So yeah, we all the way in Oxford. This is like a 30-minute, 40-minute drive. After here, we probably gonna go to HAPPPPY's or somewhere to eat. I don't know. I'm hungry now. They got snacks.
hungry since you picked me up.
Yeah, I was hungry before I picked you up. And that was at 12 o'clock. I got my nails done. Because this is a vloggy vlog, mother. A vlog. This is going to the vlog.
Okay.
And we completed my grass wall yesterday, as y'all seen, because that's coming before this, or last night. What time did y'all leave, Janelle?
1.3 miles, turn right
11:30. They left. Her and Rainisha left at like 11:30 last night. I'm still tired. I'm surprised I'm not sore though, because I went to the gym yesterday.
No snacks. You know what?
There ain't no
Go
snacks
get
here.
that
My
off
mama
there,
always
Janelle.
needs snacks, y'all.
Oh,
He's so
Why?
cute. I let her freestyle.
I want
Start
that
letting y'all
sign
nail
right
techs
there.
freestyle y'all
Oxford
nails.
sign.
That's what y'all gotta do.
I don't care. I don't gotta go to the school to have that. I don't have to live in Oxford to be Oxford strong. They gave them to the Oxford residents. They didn't give it to them. Everybody don't have one.
That Oxford.
Kai, what you gonna say? You wanna say
Everybody
something?
don't got one. I mean,
You wanna say something to you too?
Janelle, you still could have went and got it real quick.
No.
Oh, no.
Oh my God.
Roll his window up, thank you. Come on now. Oh, no.
You gotta ride a horse.
Let's go.
You about to be a cowboy?
I already did it away. I forgot to put my raincoat. I forgot to get my raincoat. Hello. Happy birthday,
Hi, Duty.
That's a wedding.
Yeah. So we can
Great idea. You won't buy it before.
How many do we have wanting to ride?
Who's riding?
I want to ride. He wants to ride.
I would like to ride. Everybody riding?
Two.
I keep telling myself I'm gonna do the same thing.
Yeah. Okay, your views. I want to go.
I want it.
Birthday. I just started. Oh my God. He was trying to kiss you. I can't believe my voice is going.
I was about to say, Shay, what was you screaming?
You don't want to know, brother. Yeah.
Alright.
At the time we went on the bumpy road.
I've never seen your foot.
You gotta treat him like him too. How you doing?
He wants to eat it. He's like, are you sure you're not holding snacks for me? Yeah, just don't stand for it.
Okay, so we're actually going to
Hi.
be we're going to say Archie and getting us ready. I'm going to show you guys like the grooming process. Yeah.
How many do we have wanting to ride?
Who's riding?
I want to ride. He wants to ride.
I would like to ride. Everybody riding?
Can he ride? Yeah.
Okay, he's riding.
How old is he?
He's 4.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Monty, you riding?
Beautiful.
So everybody but me and my son-in-law.
Yeah, hello. It's hi. We got one here. Have to come get some content. Come over on this side. Come over.
Walking around with the dog, honestly, I feel like that'd be so cool. Just have them like in your house there.
These gas prices not.
I'm just like joking about that with my boyfriend. I'm like, I think I'm just gonna bring a horse home one day, sell my car. It pays way cheaper than gas right now. Right. Might change eventually. I'm gonna start getting it saddled up.
I don't know where this goes. Here you go, Kai.
I'm done with the
Which one you want to ride, Kai? Oh, he want to ride that one. Of course he want to ride the big one. Really? You scared, Duty? Oh, okay.
Say, I'm not scared.
Having fun? You want to go fast?
people get to know their horse.
We are walking back to the barn after rain. KAIII's up.